Top 3 Robot Vacuums, a detailed review. Are you tired of spending your weekends cleaning the house? Robot vacuums are here to save the day. These nifty devices can handle daily messes while you relax or focus on more important tasks. In this video, we're comparing the iRobot Roomba vacuum 2 Essential with two of its top competitors, the Ecovacs D-Bot T9 Plus and the Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL. We'll go over the pros and cons of each model to help you decide which one best suits your needs. The iRobot Roomba Vacuum 2 Essential is a reliable choice for anyone looking to automate their cleaning routine. Known for its advanced navigation and cleaning efficiency, this device continues to lead in the robot vacuum market. Advanced navigation. Roomba's patented iAdapt technology ensures precise cleaning and avoids obstacles effectively. Dual multi-surface brushes. These brushes are designed to handle carpets and hard floors with ease, ensuring deep cleaning. Dirt Detect technology. The vacuum focuses on heavily soiled areas, making it great for high-traffic zones. Easy integration. Compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa, the Roomba is easy to control with voice commands or via the iRobot app. Excellent price. Compared to many of its competitors, the Roomba offers excellent value for money at an affordable price. Limited dustbin capacity. While it's adequate for small spaces, larger homes may require frequent emptying. No mop functionality. Unlike some newer models, it only vacuums, lacking the versatility of combined mop and vacuum devices. The Ecovacs D-Bot T9 Plus brings a lot to the table, particularly for those seeking a multifunctional cleaning device. It's both a vacuum and a mop, making it a versatile option for various flooring types. 2-in-1 functionality. The T9 Plus can vacuum and mop simultaneously, saving time and providing comprehensive cleaning. Advanced obstacle avoidance. With TrueDetect 3D technology, it navigates around furniture and small objects with ease. Self-emptying station. Its auto-empty station makes maintenance less frequent, which is great for busy users. Air freshener system. A unique feature that freshens the air as it cleans, leaving your home smelling great. App complexity. While feature-rich, the app can be overwhelming for first-time users. Average battery life. With a runtime of about 150 minutes, it might need recharging for larger homes. The Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL is a strong contender in the mid-range category. It's designed for hands-off cleaning with its self-emptying base and impressive suction power. Self-emptying base. The dustbin can hold up to 30 days of debris, reducing the frequency of manual cleaning. Powerful suction. Ideal for homes with pets, it effectively picks up hair and dander. Mapping and navigation. It maps your home intelligently and can clean specific rooms or areas on demand. No mop functionality. Like the Roomba, it's limited to vacuuming. Noisy operation. It's louder than many competitors, which might be disruptive in quieter homes. Occasional navigation issues. While generally reliable, it can sometimes struggle with very cluttered spaces. When choosing the right robot vacuum, it's essential to consider your specific needs. If you're looking for a proven performer with robust navigation, the iRobot Roomba Vacuum 2 Essential is a safe bet. For those wanting versatility and premium features, the Ecovacs D-Bot T9 Plus offers excellent functionality. Lastly, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with self-emptying convenience, the Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL is a fantastic choice. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more top tech reviews.